Picture yourself in the 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Traverse delivers all-weather capability, sleek styling, a spacious and quiet interior, ample cargo storage, and technology that keeps you safe and connected wherever your adventures may take you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Stay calm, traverse on. Take a test drive.